Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have a kind of first impression and unboxing on first impression. So this brand or this company reached out to me and they said, look, we are new in the market and we want you to smell our fragrances and see what you think of them. So they call themselves imixx. I leave in the description their links, so if you are curious, you can go and see their website. They have a very big catalog of fragrances, and their main aim, which they claim in their website, is to go for very similar fragrances, high-end fragrances. So for example, they say if there is a fragrance out there, say for example Guerlain Double de Vanille is quite hard to find and also is quite expensive, we make it for you for like 30 quid, okay? So, and they claim they are very close to those fragrances that they mention. They say 98 something percent similarity. So we'll see how it goes today. So as I said, I leave in the description their website, so you can go and see their catalog. They have big catalog. I think at least around 50 to 60 fragrances are right now in their catalog, and they send me 2 of their fragrances to sniff and review and see how they go. So as you can see, the packaging is on the strange side. I've never seen anything like it. So it's like a cardboard with some a rubber protected thing, whatever that is. Foam is a protective foam. And okay, let's go with this one first. So you have to, so the unboxing is going to be interesting. Okay, so this is how you do it, I think. As I said, this is the first time I've seen anything like this before. I've never seen anything like this. Okay, so alright, so the rubber it's got like a housing inside it. This is a foam, rubber foam, and then you open this and the bottle sits in there, which I think this is a tester with it or different fragrance, I'm not sure. And the fragrance comes out like this. There are 50 ml, and this company is, as far as I know, they are based in Hong Kong. Okay, so they are from basically China, but this company in particular, they are based in Hong Kong. And the bottle is quite cute. It's 50 ml. The category are all, I think, 50 ml, or some of them may be different sizes, but as far as I know, the main bottle size is 50 ml, and they go around £30. So let's see how it goes. So the cap is plastic, it's nothing to brag about. Let's put it on this card. Okay, so this one is imixx Perfume, and this one is number 3. So it says number 3 Tuscan leather. Basically, is mentioning the name as well. So number 3 Tuscan leather. Let's see. All right, the atomizer is okay. It's not bad. Okay, Tuscan leather it is. Yes, very similar to Tuscan leather. That leathery, that raspberry, sweet, spicy. So far it's very similar. The only thing is I need to know if they last. So this is the holy grail. Do they last? Because Tuscan leather has hundreds of copies or clones, okay, and some of them are fantastic, like La Huron by Rosasi is, some people even say is better than Tuscan leather, which it doesn't make sense. You know, Tuscan leather is the originator anyway, but it is superb. And this one smells very, very similar to Tuscan leather. The only thing is we need to know how they perform and also how they develop, if they develop. But for the first impression, yes, very, very close to Tuscan leather. So what they claim they are very, very similar. Yes, they are very similar. Basically, they are cloning these famous or very quite high-end fragrances. Okay. All right, let's go for the next one. The next one, again, this strange packaging, which I think they went for this to make themselves stand out a little bit, which, you know, it's not a bad thing. Not everybody has to be same. Okay, so again, this cardboard here, and then I put this one here, and this one opens up again like this, which is a foam, again rubber foam, and the bottle comes out. Okay, let me just put this, not mix them up together. And this one is called imixx Perfume and 50 ml, and this one is number 35. This one is Creed Aventus. So Tuscan leather, Creed Aventus, two of the very famous fragrances out there which everybody's trying to copy. And again, 50 ml on around £30, I think. So let's go with the alright. Okay, so Creed Aventus, how does this smell? Yes, Creed Aventus. Creed Aventus clone number 766. I'm just joking. So this is, yes, what they claim is correct, at least for the first impression, for the first sniff. Yeah, fruity, bergamot, woody, sweet, fruity. This is more like fruitier side of Creed Aventus than the birch side or the darker side or the smokier side. It's got a little bit of undertone woodiness, but it's not smoky. At least for the first impression. Again, I will let you know in the next video how it develops, or if they develop, and also the longevity and performance, because that's the main, that's the key here. There are hundreds of Creed Aventus clones out there, but which one is the closest, and also which one perform well? Because there are many out there, they perform okay and they smell okay, but this one smells good right now, but let's see the performance. Yeah, this is a fruitier side of Creed Aventus. Doesn't have, at least in the beginning, doesn't have that much smokiness. Okay, so far so good. I like what they're doing. The only thing is, you need to go and have a look at the catalog and see if there is anything in there that interests you, because as I said, they've got a massive catalog of fragrances that they're trying to copy, or they're trying to make similar to them. For the first impression, they are very, very similar and they smell good. Okay, but let's see how they go in the next video. I'll let you know. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, put it down there. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it between other people, and then this way you'll help me to grow my channel. Thank you very much. As always, you've been great, and I'll see you later. Bye.